Hello. Hi. Hi. Um, just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Uh, right. So, hi. Welcome to Trading Maze. So today we're going to be doing analysis for 3rd April and 4th April, which is yesterday and today. So let's get started. Today will be a short video because we will have to do a lot of analysis and a lot of trades should be taken. I will share you what are the trades that I've took, and actually we are posting trades live on Telegram. If you haven't already joined in the Telegram channel, please do. I will share. There is a link in the description. So let's not wait and get into it. So I was not streaming yesterday. I had a little work. So let's analyze from yesterday. So starting from yesterday, let's get into the one day analysis, which we done before, and I have already told you about the levels. These are the levels that I marked when I was streaming. If you remember it or not, these are the levels I have marked before. So if you look at this, we've talked about. I've streamed on 2nd April, so we were here when I was doing analysis. So I did tell you that there's a possibility that gold might hit all-time high and then take a liquidity and go down. So or we wanted to take trades from below side so that from these levels whether we can pop it up to new all-time high. That was our consideration and our trading insight we given. That thing, I think it went well. I will show you the trades that I took and how how risk management has happened over there. So first, let's get into the one day time frame. As we get into it, this is the one day time frame candle that we were talking about. This one. So after that, what gold did was when Trump came live. When Trump came live yesterday at yesterday he came live at 1:30 a.m. So when he came live and when he told the tariffs and whatever what are the taxes that he's going to impose on different countries, so that impacted this candle. See, it is like a doji because it's inconsiderate. It did not understand what's happening, but quite frankly what's happening is dollar has decreased. DXY, if you look at the DXY, its value has fallen down in one day time frame. It actually opened below this level which gap down, which suggests key it is so much bearish right now, but it is retracing itself back. So we might see some good moves in gold. So because of those, because of the speech, the news, what happened, we can go and see it in the lower time frames as well. So one day time frame, what does it suggest is, let me tell you what happened in these candles. See, this was the all-time high before 3rd of April. So after 3rd of April, what happened is it took the liquidity from this zone, and that is around 3166. It has broken the 3150 level and went to 3166. And as I told you, it at all time highs, it's we can't predict where it would go. So it's clearly based on what you analyze. It could be based on a Fibonacci retracement or any other levels. We have to just predict the future, and that's a little difficult, but we can do that if we learn and understand what's happening. So besides that, let's get into the 4 hour time frame, which will uh, tell us what is happening to a little more understandable way. Uh, okay, so see, this is 2nd April. This was when I was streaming. So what happened was, if you see this candle, this is very important because this is when he came live. It's 10:30 to 10:30 to 2:30 is this 4 hour candle. In this candle, Trump came and told these tariffs about the all the international trade wars that is happening. Whatever the news came was at 1:30 a.m. So this is the candle which represents that. So after representing this, what it did was it took liquidity. So see it, look at it carefully. I have already explained it in the last video, that last analysis. If gold needs to go up, it needs to take liquidity. So it had liquidity below these levels. If you can see is these levels below these 4 hour candles, there was a lot of liquidity in here as well, below this candle as well. If we pop into the lower time frames, we might able to see it very well. But before that, let's analyze what has happened in 4 hours, so that we can understand a little bit better. So Trump came live, and what happened was it took liquidity below these lows, and it retraced back, retraced upwards to the long, and it has broken the new all-time high. So it broke the all-time high, and after breaking all-time high, what happened was it took the liquidity all it needs. It has a lot of liquidity now to the downside, sell side liquidity. So when it took that liquidity, and because of current trade wars, even though DXY is decreasing, gold is also an asset. So what you have to understand is gold is an asset. So gold will go up when when it has a potential to go up, when people are trying to buy it. So when economic tensions happen, like these, like tariffs and something, like exports and imports, which poses a great deal on these, on gold and different assets, supercars, a lot of oil and all these assets, they get a little tensified about what to happen. What do investors do is they get little tense and they sell. So I'm just telling you ki what is behind these. What happened ki why gold has been falling like this. Why? Which gold, which has been in a great bull run, from, if you can see, from a lot of time, from the start of the year, why has it fallen this much in this small amount of? Because the tensions happening in the world, nothing else. It's the tension. Because of these tensions, gold is doing this. But fundamentally, gold is bullish. Even though these tensions come in the market, these economic, because of these tariffs and all, even these come, gold will eventually go to all-time highs, and it will start increasing from anything it could. So what I'm saying is, why has this fall come? To understand this has to be this you have to be fundamentally understanding these things. Why has fall? Because if you see DXY, I've just shown you, it has fallen as well. In the same time, it's been falling, but gold has been falling as well. Gold has been falling as well. Which suggests, what it suggests is, we we are not just we're just not looking at it in a correct way. When we are trading gold, we're just looking at DXY doesn't tell you key what will happen. You have to understand the fundamentals, and you have to understand where will gold stand, what is its economic what is its economic position. That should be understood, and plays a very crucial role in trading. But still, as traders, it doesn't impose a great deal for us, because I'll tell you why. Because when we are trading, we trade normally on confirmations, right? So if we have a confirmation, we trade that. So if you already have confirmations, if I have confirmation after this, the gold is turning bearish, so I could take trade after confirmation from a good level, and I could win. So for traders, it doesn't matter, but understand for investors, it is crucial to understand key why this is happening, and how to understand how to predict in a better way, how to manage your risk. See, gold has never moved like this. Like I've been trading gold for 1.5 year, and gold hasn't moved like this ever, ever. This is the first time I'm seeing, because the trades we are doing. Yesterday, I took a trade, which I shared in the Telegram channel. It was one of the first trades. So it gave us almost above 300 to 400 pips. It is if you some people are holding, and some people, actually my friend has captured 600 pips in the same trade. So it's moving like crazy. The gold is moving like crazy, and I'll show you all the trades, why I took those trades, and how this is happening. Just understand the fundamental. So 4 hour time frame is telling us key this. It took liquidity from all time high, and it imposed a red candle over here at a crucial time at the Asian session. So after that, there was no wick for the next 4 hour candle, and it just fell. If you see, normally gold should have wicks. Gold when I'm trading gold, a 4 hour candle or